Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in digital marketing tools with HubSpot, beginner guide step by step clearly. To invest in digital marketing tools with HubSpot, start by understanding your marketing goals. Identify the specific areas where you need improvement, such as lead generation or customer engagement. Visit the HubSpot website and explore the different tools they offer, such as CRM, email marketing, and automation features. Create an account on HubSpot to access their free tools and resources. Take advantage of HubSpot Academy to gain insights into digital marketing best practices. Outline your budget for investing in marketing tools and determine which HubSpot plans align with your financial capacity. Consider starting with a free tier to get familiar with HubSpot's interface and capabilities. As you become more comfortable, assess which paid features will benefit your marketing strategy. Evaluate HubSpot's pricing models for their various tiers, ensuring that you understand the value each option provides. Reach out to a HubSpot sales representative if you have specific questions or require personalized assistance. Once you decide on a plan, finalize your subscription through their secure payment portal. After setting up your account, set up your marketing dashboard to track key performance indicators. Integrate your existing digital assets, like your website and social media accounts, into HubSpot. Utilize HubSpot's templates and customization options to create effective marketing campaigns. Start crafting your first marketing campaign using HubSpot's tools, focusing on your target audience. Monitor your campaign's performance using HubSpot's analytics capabilities. Regularly review and adjust your strategy based on the insights you gather from the analytics. Continue to explore advanced features as your understanding of HubSpot deepens and your marketing needs evolve. Engage with the HubSpot community through forums and webinars for ongoing learning and support. Make it a habit to stay updated on new tools and features released by HubSpot to enhance your marketing efforts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.